cloud of smoke on start, rough idle, worse gas mileage, and poor acceleration. If you're experiencing any of those specific symptoms, then your PCV valve may be going bad. How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to replace your PCV valve on your 2005 to 2009 Land Rover LR3 or Range Rover Sport. Reasons why you might want to replace this part is age of the vehicle. It's likely that it's never been replaced before. You're noticing worse gas mileage, rough idle, bad acceleration, or maybe a bit of smoke from your exhaust on startup, specifically blue smoke. In my case, I've been noticing a little bit of blue smoke here and there the past 2 months, probably twice a month. And this can sometimes mean oil leaking into the combustion chamber and getting burned. The smoke has been very minor, and there's no smoke for the rest of the drive after starting and no smoke during acceleration. And the reason you'd want to replace the PCV valve is because usually the PCV is routing blow-by back into circulation to be burned off, and over time it can get gunked up and clogged, which it'll mess with the air-fuel mixture ratios and cause performance issues. I read a funny comment on Reddit where someone described it as farting, but instead of your fart being released into the air, it gets rerouted back through your body to essentially be broken down even further before being released. Anyway, here we go. To start, you're going to remove your oil fill cap, then remove the engine cover. It's held in by 4 6mm bolts. Take that off and then remove the air filter adapter because it'll be in the way of the PCV valve. Disconnect this hose, and then you'll just need a Torx T25 bit to remove these 2 screws. Once those are out, just pull and wiggle the part out and replace with the new part. Really simple job, you can do it yourself, and it only takes about 10 minutes. It's been a little over 2 months and I haven't noticed any blue smoke since I replaced it, so I hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.